If you're gonna cut around an air conditioner, turn the air conditioners off so they don't suck anything into the thing. Blow your grass away from your air conditioners so that it doesn't mess up your coils. When you come back, take this grass right here, blow it off, because if the air conditioner's running, we get a good wind, this grass is still here, that wind picks it up, it swirls it around like a little tornado would do, and then it ends up going into the coils still. Make sure that's gone, because all this is something to cost you $2,000 to put a new compressor in here. It's gonna cost you a new unit on some of the stuff. You just need to protect yourself from this stupid kind of things like this. It's just really just plain simple thinking not to do stuff like this. Just a little note that you can use.
There's a baby deer.
Huh?
There's a baby deer. There's a baby deer right here. Oh my God.
It's a whole different video, huh?
It is a
Did you get a good picture of it?
I think I did.
I want y'all to look at this. So what in the world is going on with this?
It's leaking.
Now, just because I said that, I will get harassed about this video.